Welcome to another episode of Method in Madness. And today we're going to talk about how you can create an impact with your audience that leaves a domino effect in their minds. The trick is very simple. It is the rule of three. It is something that's used by many speakers, and today I will share with you how you can use it to the best of your ability to create the domino effect. Stay tuned.
Method in Madness.
What is the rule of three? If you analyze any speech given by great leaders, great politicians, or even amazing speakers, you will find one common thread, and that is the rule of three. When you have to make a strong argument or strong point, always choose your top three best points. Why? Because less than three is not adequate and more than three is just too much. You remember the great speech? Democracy is of the people, by the people, and for the people. Rule of three. But it's not just about putting 3 points in your sentence. It's about how you place them. I have a tip for you. When you are using the rule of three, always have this structure. Dip, top, and terrific. Your last point is the terrific point that will leave your audience with a lasting memory. Because as an audience, we tend to remember the last point because that stays alive in our mind. If you want to create some humor, some light-hearted moment with your audience, you can use the same trick. But here, you use dip, top, and twist. The third point is a twist that your audience was not expecting, and you will catch them with surprise. And that will create some light-hearted moment in your speech. So let's recap. What is the rule of three? Now you know how to give that lasting impression to your speech with the rule of three. Next week, there are more tips. But for now, don't go anywhere. Because you know why? Because it's time for Expression of the Week. Yep. Dear friends, welcome to the Expression of the Week. Today I am in the Baker's Winkle in Utrecht, and they are known for serving some delicious pies. So I thought I'll make the expression something related to that. The expression of the week is pie in the sky. What does it mean? Pie in the sky means something that you really hope happens, but it's very unlikely that it will happen. Say something like world peace. You really hope that happens, but looking at today, maybe unlikely. How can we use this expression? For example, I really like your aspiration, but to become from a junior analyst to a CEO within 2 years is a bit pie in the sky aspiration. I really hope John finds his dream house in New York, but with a budget of $1,000 a month, it's a bit pie in the sky dream. So let me know what you think and try this expression while I try my delicious carrot pie, and I will see you next week with another expression, another tip. Till then, I'm signing off from Baker's Winkle in Utrecht. See you next week.
Say something.
And what do I say?
What's on your mind?
You're a jackass. It's on record now.
Alright, now you start.
Welcome to another episode of Method in Madness.